Hello and welcome to the video. I'm William, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to reduce your video file size without losing the quality. And in today's tutorial I will be showing you using a free tool called Handbrake. And ways you can get it is by going to your preferred browser and typing in handbrake.fr. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. There are two ways you can actually add your video size file into the software. One is that you can click here and then open the video source, the file where you store your video, and then the next one is that you can drag it here. So I have my video on my desktop, so what I'll do next is that I'll drag it in and let it do its work. And then in order to optimize your video, be you're a YouTuber, you want to select web optimize, leave it as MP4, and then the next step you want to go is clicking on the video, and then you want to retain this as the default, and then the next thing you want to click is a consistent frame rate, and you want to click on the what? Same as source, and then you want to come to where you would like to store your video. Mine, I would like to store it on the desktop when it's done, and then I would like to, let's say, as copy. Save. And the next, which is the final step, which is to start encoding. So as you can see, the second file is being loaded onto the desktop as it's working in the background. Now I want you to take note. The original video file size is 24.2 MB, which is 24.2 megabytes. That is the original video size. And then now we want to click onto the one we just created, which will be .72 MB. So as you can see, the file size has dropped drastically. And then let's do this. Let's open the video. So we see that the quality size has
100 Sudoku puzzles in 60 seconds. Watch this. Instead of spending hours creating puzzles, this free tool generates hundreds instantly. Perfect for activity.
Now let's open the new one.
100 Sudoku puzzles in 60 seconds. Watch this. Instead of spending hours creating puzzles, this free tool generates hundreds
So as you can see, the video quality is still the same. It's just that the file size has dropped. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and do remember to share with your friends as well, as it helps my channel to grow. Thank you for watching.